Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the exciting world of action cameras, and we're focusing on one of the most anticipated releases of the year, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. This latest model from Insta360 has been making waves in the tech community, and for good reason. From enhanced AI capabilities to a powerful new sensor, there's a lot to unpack. Whether you're an adventurer, vlogger, or filmmaker, you'll want to stick around to hear everything about this action-packed camera. According to recent leaks, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is expected to launch at $399.99, a significant reduction from its predecessor. This price point positions it competitively against other action cameras like the GoPro Hero 12 and DJI Osmo Action 4. One of the most talked about features is the camera's sensor upgrade. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is rumored to feature a 50 megapixel sensor, a bump up from the previous model's 48 megapixels. This improvement will offer sharper and more detailed photos, particularly in low light conditions, a game changer for those shooting in challenging environments like dusk or dawn. This sensor size will especially appeal to photographers and videographers aiming to capture high-quality visuals without the need for bulky equipment. Perhaps one of the most jaw-dropping features is the 8K video recording capability. For content creators, this is a massive leap in clarity and resolution, especially for those creating immersive videos for YouTube or other platforms. A significant upgrade in the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is the introduction of advanced AI processing capabilities. AI is revolutionizing how we capture and edit videos, and this camera takes full advantage of it. The AI-powered software will make tasks like auto-correction, stabilization, and object tracking faster and more precise. Moving on to the design, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is rumored to have a more robust build compared to its predecessor. For action cameras, durability is key. This model will reportedly be slightly bulkier, which could indicate better shock resistance and thermal stability. This means the camera can perform optimally in a wider range of temperatures and environments, perfect for adventurers who find themselves in extreme conditions. Battery life is a critical aspect for any portable camera, and Insta360 seems to have addressed this with the Ace Pro 2. Early reports suggest a larger, more efficient battery, giving users longer recording times without frequent recharges. This means the camera can perform optimally in a wider range of temperatures and environments, perfect for adventurers who find themselves in extreme conditions. As we await the official launch, the excitement continues to build, and we can't wait to get our hands on it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on the latest tech releases.